what? You can't rush breaks. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be the best in my own league, man, in my own lane. Yes, indeed. Safe Alonzo. Make sure y'all follow the journey. We're going all the way up to the top. King of the booty action. Yes, indeed.
Yes, literally. Let me small video. Hey guys, Turbo TV. Welcome back to the channel. Don't got too much energy. Lonzo made sure he woke me up today so I can come out here and get this content with him. Which, as y'all know, that's my brother, so we are together on anything. But if you're new, welcome. Go subscribe, support, whatever you want to call it. I say subscribe, that's what you're really doing. Go like, share, comment, all that good stuff. If you return to family, what's happening, y'all know what it is. But I am with Safe Alonzo. He is getting another mod on his car. He told y'all he wasn't playing. The boy is not playing with y'all. He is up here getting more mods right now. So I'm gonna show y'all what's happening. Y'all see me parked over there. I got some secrets too, but I can't reveal them. We are at Fastest Garage, y'all. They are local, or in Fort Worth, so if y'all need some work, hit them up. I'm gonna show y'all the work that is getting done by them. But if y'all don't know, now Lonzo, you know, this is Lonzo's car. He is getting his Wickerbill today, but he's not just getting a regular Wickerbill.
It's not custom.
Is it backwards?
Yeah, it's backwards. That's what he just said.
Okay.
You're supposed to be watching.
I just looked. I just looked.
I don't know how it's supposed to look.
You're right.
It's supposed to look right.
Well, we got Fred in the building. This is the man that fabricates everything, puts it all on himself.
He has his own light, too.
He is.
His own light company, too.
Oh yeah.
Light
My bad. Yeah.
Light
That man is a guru at this. So if you're going to get your lights done elsewhere for your Wickerbill or Wickerbills, period, I don't know why. And we'll show y'all in a minute why we say that.
This is crazy.
Yeah, he's getting his Wickerbill done and it will light up. And wait till y'all see what it say.
That's better.
Y'all should, if y'all know Safe Alonzo, then you should know what it say already.
You already know.
You should already know what that thing say. But I mean, we've been here for the whole process. Well, not the whole process. I got here a little later. But everything is wired. The final steps are coming together now. I'm gonna get my seat back though. That's what I'm gonna do.
I say he ain't got all the way over yet.
That thing look nice.
Crazy, man.
Fred, I'm gonna have to talk to you about possibly doing something to mine. I'm scared. I don't know how you'll be able to do it, but
There's a welder going.
yes, sir.
Y'all
heard that? Well, y'all probably didn't hear it because it's a loud ass Mopar back there. It's a loud Mopar. I'm gonna zoom in.
That's a different one.
Oh, that's a Challenger, huh? Well, it's a Challenger. Y'all see it back in there. I'm gonna go outside so y'all can see it. Ooh, it is some stuff in here though. There's some stuff all around here, y'all.
So how you feel with all these Mopars out here, bro?
I feel just fine. I feel just damn fine. Ain't too much they want to see it. You know what I'm saying? But, oof, that thing sound amazing. Little red eye action. You know what I'm saying? Wide body.
With the turkey leg hips and the dips.
Man, that thing ain't little nothing. No, that thing is major. I just want to see if he gonna hit it. Listen, I don't buy no red eye if you gonna leave the stock. You gotta do something to it. Yes, they fast how they come, but come on, man. Who don't want to sound like that? It got quiet, and then it got loud. Jesus, y'all. Yeah, man. Look, SRTs out here. Well, excuse me, Hellcat.
Y'all gotta, hey, but I need y'all to hold smash the like button, share the videos, man, to all your friends, because we're going all the way up, and this is very expensive what I'm doing.
Yeah,
no
very,
half stepping,
no
very
cap,
expensive.
no cap.
You know what I'm saying? So I need y'all to go rock with the boy. This is the big boy Ram.
So y'all, I can't go in they they area. You know, they in there working and dynoing.
When I'm getting ready, yeah, we're gonna go in it.
Oh yes, sir.
Yeah, we can't today, but you know.
Yes, sir. I mean, I'm just gonna get a little scope though. You know what I'm saying? This here one is beautiful.
It is, bro.
Y'all know I don't even like Camaros, but that thing is beautiful. I like how that little bar with the spoiler go right with the stripe. But come on, man, this is a full drag pack.
Yeah.
Come on. Yes, sir. That's called a go fast, so I need to slow down. Then the license plate say cat killer. That's so disrespectful to their own people. To his own people. Yeah, man. Y'all see he ain't got no tires on, but he do got the skinnies in the front, which is why I say it's a full drag pack. So you know this thing pushing power. Man, it's a Viper over there. How often do you see that just sitting in a shop? Clearly getting some real work done because there's dust on it. Another Hellcat, side by side. Then the man himself's car.
Yeah.
Y'all probably have seen this car in Houston. It most definitely didn't look like this. It was.
Stay tuned, because we got some going on with that.
Oh, some secrets coming.
Well, that's why you see it broke down. Some things coming. We're
Well,
not
what
gonna say
y'all-
on camera.
what
If
y'all
y'all want
don't
to see,
see.
y'all make sure y'all go to his YouTube.
What
channel.
y'all don't
Check out
see.
the process that Fred got going.
What
on
you
real
don't
fast around
see.
This thing, man. It's supercharged too.
I know what it is, brother.
Nah, I'm
but,
telling the folks.
oh, but all this,
Folks, it's supercharged too.
all this, these blue accents in here is pretty.
Yeah, that's dope. That's dope.
I like he got the damn gaskets paint up. That ain't even paint. That's a whole.
Yeah,
You know what? One day, y'all, we're gonna do a review on this
yeah,
thing.
this thing crazy.
Yes, sir.
Crazy.
But yeah, it's lights in there.
Everywhere. You got lights
Yeah, it's lights everywhere.
everywhere. So this is why I'm coming in. I see this car at World Park first.
So this is his Wickerbill, y'all. All of this lights up. The dash done the right way.
We still got more to come, so y'all just stay in tune, man.
Like it's all gutted for now. For now. Y'all see that green thing back there? I'm not gonna say whose car it is. Y'all see that green thing back there? It's on the dyno. It's on the dyno for a reason. That thing is vicious. That man won't stop putting work into it. There's so much stuff in here.
That came out so good,
Y'all remember these?
Yeah.
He hated these.
Hey, that would look good on this car now, though. But they're not going back on there.
Okay, thank you. I thought you was finna.
Like if it's snowing or something.
No, it ain't gonna snow. This Texas.
I mean, well, it's gonna be in the garage, so it don't matter.
It ain't gonna
Any
snow.
bad weather, it's gonna be in the garage.
I wish it would snow.
It did one time though.
Man, when I first moved here in 2014, it was an ice storm. Let me tell you who was upset and ready to move back. It was me. I said, I tried to escape this shit. I ain't seen nothing since.
Man,
It don't get cold.
yeah, we making movies, man. We making movies with no ending, man. It's just getting started.
Yes, sir.
People think it's done. It's not done.
By far.
By
By far.
We still got a lot of work to do, man.
So I'm gonna turn this back on y'all whenever Fred is feeling himself damn near done.
Wrap it up. What's called?
Oh, yeah. Alright, y'all, so it's on there. It is on there, y'all. If y'all know Safe Alonzo, y'all understand why. Y'all know that man like all the booty action. Chill, talking about cars. As you know, people be like, hey, why you? No, talking about cars. Relax, y'all. That thing look good, man.
You can't tell me that ain't hard.
That
You know what I was
thing look
thinking?
good.
What I put on there? I was like, why? There's nothing even to discuss.
It really ain't, because that's what you say about the back side of every car. Man, I like it. What y'all think, y'all? Should I get one? Y'all see it lit up now? Y'all see it lit up? The sun is trying to get in my damn video.
Hey, go. You killed it.
Fred, you the man.
You the man.
You are the man.
There's keys to the castle.
Oh man, I get 2 keys too?
Let me hold one.
Nah, bro.
I want to be in the car. So,
2, man. 2 of them things. I'll see.
yeah, that is beautiful.
Yes, indeed.
Y'all gotta understand, this is artwork, man. If you are a car person, you have to understand this is artwork. Ain't none of this shit cheap. None of this shit is cheap. I'm not saying it's hella expensive, but when it come out your pocket and that money gone, oh, it's expensive. It's expensive for that time being.
I sacrificed a lot, bro.
Right. Until you recoup it.
Yeah, I sacrificed a lot.
Let me turn the camera around. So listen,
I love it. Man, you did the thing, man.
y'all stop complaining, man, on what we do and do not do, or what we should do and all of that. Y'all not paying for this shit. We are. It's a lot. It's for y'all, but y'all gotta cut that out, man.
Hey, y'all. We're gonna end this video like we always do, man.
Hey, yeah.
No fears, no regrets.
None.
2020, and for the rest
Oh,
of
so for the rest of y'all that want to see, this is the back side. This is the other side, the side that everybody will see. The LEDs are in the middle area where the words actually are. How long this whole process take you, Fred?
It takes me about 3 weeks to make one.
He said it takes him 3 weeks, and then how long for install?
About an hour and a half.
Now, y'all, if y'all don't understand that this man is in here working, come on. He makes these. He don't call and have somebody make this for him. He makes this.
100%.
100% in-house. He makes that. Once it's done, it take you an hour and a half to get it installed. Come on, man. I'ma end this video though. Man, I hope y'all enjoy it. When y'all see Safe Alonzo, make sure y'all honk at him. When he roll his window down, say I love the booty action, and then say pause.
Yes,
Don't you pull it on this man. Tell me, hey man, I like the booty action, and pull off. No. We gonna think very suspect of you. But what you think, bro?
I love it.
Yes,
I love it, man. Like I said, this is the reason why I haven't got a Wickerbill, because I was waiting to do this. You know, everything I do, it's a method. It's all a piece to the puzzle. So y'all rock with me, man. Not just me, the whole crew. We're going all the way up, man. My brother Turbo TV came out to show support. We in this thing, and we're about to go somewhere else. So y'all stay tuned.
Yeah, another video. Don't worry about that.
I got one left over. I'm not sure where it went.
So listen, y'all. Y'all don't know y'all always see me with body armors. Trying to get more healthy. Hey, Essentia, come sponsor your boy. So, hey, y'all go tag them and just get on one of their posts, man. Just tag my name. Just on Instagram or whatever. Just tag my name. Lonzo, you do it too. Listen, cause I always be drinking body armor, right?
Right.
Yeah, okay, so trying to get more healthy. So it's Essentia now. So we gotta go to their page and just tag my name. If we doing it today. But I'm done, y'all. Fred, you wanna say anything to the people?
Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for following. And if you need anything, call us at Basty's Garage, 972-332-0100.
Yes, sir. Ooh! Hey, I don't know if y'all heard him, but hey, his walk away was get lit. So I'm gonna end it just like that. Hey, I appreciate y'all. Get lit.